Hey there. In today's video, I'll walk you through a simple process on how to hide likes on Facebook. Let's dive in. First things first. Open Facebook on your mobile device. Now, you'll notice the total number of likes under each post. Some have them. Some don't. If you want to keep those likes under wraps, it's a straightforward process. Let me guide you through it, step by step. Head over to the menu located at the bottom right corner. From there, navigate to the gear icon at the top right corner. And then move on to Settings and Privacy. This is where we'll find the reaction preferences. Click on it. Once you're in, you'll see the option to hide likes on posts from others. Simply toggle that option if you want to keep likes under wraps on someone else's posts. And guess what? You can also hide likes on your own posts. Just activate that option, and you're good to go. Now, let's head back to the Facebook timeline and see how it looks. As you can see, the number of likes is no longer visible under someone else's post, and the same goes for your own posts. It's a neat and easy way to maintain a bit of privacy on your social media feed. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to hide likes on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.